In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile. This is a simple update, but it can make a big difference. Adding your portfolio website to LinkedIn gives recruiters, clients, and potential collaborators a quick way to see your work, learn more about your skills, and get a better sense of your professional brand. If you have a personal website, design portfolio, developer portfolio, or any site that showcases your work, this is a great place to include it. To get started, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Make sure you're on your main profile page where your headline, photo, and profile sections are visible. This is where you'll access the area that contains your public contact details and website links. Once you're on your profile, click on Contact Info. You'll usually find this near the top section of your profile. This area is where LinkedIn stores important profile links, including websites, email addresses, and other contact-related details. Opening this section lets you review what's currently visible and make changes as needed. Next, click on Edit Contact Info. This opens the editing view where you can update the information connected to your profile. If you already have some contact details listed, you'll see them here. Take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct section before continuing. Now scroll down until you find the website area and then click Add Website. This is the option LinkedIn provides when you want to include an external link on your profile. If your portfolio is hosted on your own domain or on a platform that displays your projects, this is where you'll add it. After that, enter your website URL. Be careful to type the full and correct link so visitors can open your portfolio without any issues. It's a good idea to double check for typos before moving on, especially if your site includes a custom domain name. Using the correct URL helps make sure your LinkedIn profile sends people directly to your work. Finally, click Save. Once you save, your portfolio website will be added to your LinkedIn contact information. You can then return to your profile and confirm that the link appears correctly, and that's it. Your LinkedIn profile will now include your portfolio website, making it easier for others to discover your work. If you want your profile to feel more complete and professional, this is a quick and valuable update to make.